Hey y'all, welcome back to Dear's Way, where we do what? We make food our way. So if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe. That's it. That's the only thing I can tell y'all right now. Okay, so today is gonna be something that's quick and easy to make. I just decided to make it because I'm making tacos later and it's gonna go perfect with my tacos. We are making a guacamole. Lovely guacamole. You know, the same guacamole they charge y'all like $3 for a scoop at Chipotle. We gonna make some guacamole today. Okay, so let's just get into it. I'm gonna show y'all what you need. Pretty simple though, but I'm gonna show y'all what you need. Avocados, whatever. These avocados that I have, I let sit on the counter so they can soften a little more because they were like bright green when I got them. So they are ready to cut open. Pico de gallo. So I always go to Walmart and I get the mild kind because I don't like stuff too hot, too spicy, but I like a little intensity, but like not too much. But you need some pico. If you can make your own pico, make your own pico. Then you need some lemon juice. I'm just gonna use the last bit of my lemon juice that I have. And then you need your seasonings. Your seasonings that you will need are your salt, pepper. If you want to spice it up a little more, you know, to just make it your way, go ahead and do that. But this is what I'm going to be using because, like I said, this is Dear's Way and we make food our way. How we want to present it, how we want to eat it, whatever. Okay, so let's get into it. Let's not even take up any more time. Follow me to the cutting board. All right, greetings from the cutting board. So first we're going to start off with our avocados. We have one, we have two, we have three. Now excuse me if my hands are ashy. I've been washing them a lot and that's what happens. But anyway, let's start off with this one. Of course, you know, take your little sticker off. Take your sticker off. Okay, that wasn't an easy task. Anyway, and then don't mind my knife. I cut up some lettuce. It's still clean, so whatever. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and cut this open and proceed. Bam. At the same time, like while I'm cutting this open, I have my container right here. I'm just gonna scoop it out and put it in there. So for those of y'all who don't know how to scoop out an avocado, this is how you do it. Now, I say that to say this. Years ago, when I started really eating avocados, why was I peeling the skin off the avocados? Like, what was I thinking? Oh my gosh. And then, like, every time I wanted avocados or like guacamole or something to put on my sandwich, I would dread making it because I was like, why do I have to peel these avocados? How do people deal with this? And I'm like, girl, what is your problem? Why you didn't just, you know, use Google, use YouTube, whatever. But child, you live and you learn. But this was years ago. This is not recent. That was a good one. That was a good one. Whoa. This song has been stuck in my brain like for the last 5 minutes. I just thought of it. But it'd be like, every time I close my eyes. If you know the rest, you know the rest. Now, I used to take like the pits and save it. Like when I was a plant mom, I was on my plant mom journey. This was during the pandemic. But I used to just take them and like propagate them and stuff. But I don't have time for that now. All right. This is what we have so far. That's what we have so far. Let's do our second one. Oh my. And we're just gonna continue. Oh, Jesus, this one's a little hard. Oh. I don't know if that was ready. Well, shabalaba ding dong. All right, y'all, we are back. We are back. So right now, all we gotta do is just like add our seasonings. But before you add anything, make sure you have like a good mixer. Now, I recently just bought this tool right here. Everybody uses it to, like, you know, do their ground beef and stuff. I don't use it for that. I just use it for guacamole. But yeah, I went and got this at, oh my gosh, my hands. I got this at TJ Maxx for like $5 and some change. But that's what I'm gonna be using to mash this up. So yeah, I used to use like a fork and like a spoon or just, you know, something like that, because I just used what I had at the time. But as far as just seasoning, this is what I'm gonna add. I'm gonna add my good old Creole seasoning because it tastes good. And I don't like to add too much because I don't want to take away from the guacamole flavor. And then I'm gonna add my pepper. Let me open it. I'm gonna open the big side. That way more comes out a little. Whoa, that's enough. All right, then I'm gonna add my secret ingredient. Now this secret ingredient, I'll give y'all a hint. You can use this in, let's see. You can use this in, okay, I use this in my birria taco video. So there's a hint. There's a quick hint. All right, and then you got your lemon juice. I'm going to use the last bit of my lemon juice that I have here. Oh, I'm covering up the light. I'm just going to use that, not too much. This is good, of course, because it, you know, brings everything together. Also, it slows down the oxidation when you have it like in the refrigerator for a while. So I'm going to start using my masher, and yeah, here we go. Okay, I am finished mashing everything up. And next, I'm gonna add my pico, my handy dandy pico. I'm just gonna add a little bit in there. Add as much as you want. I'm just gonna add a little bit. Bam. That's it. And then just mix it up. Just mix it. Mix it. I keep blocking my light, but that's okay. And there you have it. You have guacamole. Now, we're not just gonna leave it in here, of course, you know, for storage purposes, yes, but let's just like present it a little better. That way it looks more, you know. All right, so all of that is mixed up. Of course, you can taste it in between just to make sure everything tastes good. I've already been tasting it, and it tastes amazing. So, rattle stitches. For presentation purposes, guys, we have our bowl. I'm just gonna dump it in here. Ooh, this song is stuck in my dang head. Trying to make sure it like don't stain the rest of the bowl. If you know what I mean. Devontae Swing. So I've been like practicing the piano, keyboard, whatever you want to call it. But the reason why I was just like, let me just try this again is because I was watching this video on YouTube, and Devontae from Jodeci, he was playing the piano, and he was just like, you know, playing with the crowd. Basically during like the little intermission session, he was playing with the crowd, playing like different songs and stuff. And I was like, you know what? I think I can try that. He did Guy, Piece of My Love, and then he did, I don't know the name of the song, but I've been learning how to play it on my keyboard. So that's why I was like, let me try this thing again. All right, back to presenting your guacamole. So if you're having like a little gathering or something, you want to impress your friends, like, hey guys, I made guacamole. Be a little fancy and do something like this. And it's not a guacamole presentation if you don't have your parsley. Bam. Y'all see how quick and easy that was? Very quick and easy. And it looks so pretty. It looks so stinking pretty, guys. Look at this. Look at this. Let me just lay my light down a little more. Look at this. Now me, I usually eat my guacamole with tacos. Sometimes chips, but I feel like if I eat it with chips, then I'm gonna sit there all day and eat the whole thing of guacamole if I eat it with chips. So just to take away from that, I'd rather just have it with a full meal versus just constantly eating the whole thing of guacamole. So we've made our guacamole. All right, then we can do like a taste test, because why not? I've already been tasting it, but let's do a taste test. You guys, we're done with our guacamole. Look at it. Oh, cheese. I'm joking. I don't know why I do that. I don't know. I just be... Anyway, so of course we have completed our guacamole. Oh, there's something on the side of my mouth because I've been taste testing it. But yeah, that's how it looks. That's how it looks. Show a little more for the camera. That's how it looks. Now we're gonna do a taste test. I already know how it tastes, so I'm just gonna taste a little bit because I feel like if I just sit here and start eating it, I'm gonna eat more and more, and then I'm not gonna have any more for my tacos later. So it's just something about making your own food, homemade, everything. Because you know when you go to the restaurant, they be putting all types of stuff in there in the bag. Like you never know. Like you just never know. Somebody eyelash probably fell in there. I don't know, some dead skin cells, whatever. But when you at home, you know you made it yourself. And if something did fall in there, it's your own DNA, okay? All right. But yeah, y'all, let's look at this one more time. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Thank y'all for joining me again at Deera's Way, where we do what? Why do I keep pausing? I do not know. My brain is just like... Anyway, thank you for joining me again at Deera's Way, because here we make food our way, how we want to present it, how we want to eat it, whatever, because this is our food. Don't worry about anybody else. This is our food. This is how we like to eat our food, okay? But yeah, make sure you go ahead and subscribe, like the video. And you can comment down below. I mean, it ain't much happening over here now, but it will be later. But go ahead and comment. I mean, like if you have some suggestions, like, oh, I think you should try this, I think you should try that, sure. I'm open to suggestions, all right? Because I be needing new ideas, okay? All right. Anyway, thank you for joining me again at Vera's Way, and I will see y'all next time. Bye-bye.